Hey everyone, Brandon here. Welcome to my first Nendoroid unboxing today, and I'll be showing off Saber / Arthur Pendragon. This is Nendoroid number 842, the DX / Ascension version, which means you do get some extra accessories, like the cape. These Nendoroid unboxings are going to be a bit more laid back and casual compared to my more formal reviews, so enjoy! Also, before we get too far into the video, please consider subscribing, and also thank you to everyone who is subscribed and comes back to my videos. Now this first one will be a voiceover, but probably going forward they will be live commentary. On the box you can see the authentic sticker and that the box does have a pattern design all over it. This is an item that I previously owned but put away to move, so some things won't be exactly as is if you bought this brand new. The flaps do hold some information about the easel stands you can buy for your Nendos. Here are the box contents and some instructions on how to assemble an Nendoroid. Nendoroid stand I probably threw in there. I guess I left him pretty assembled when putting him away. So as you can see, the cape kind of sits on the shoulders. Here's Excalibur. Mine does have some damage because one of my cats decided it would make a good chew toy. Picture of cat will be displayed. I'll be showing off all the swords, but I honestly don't remember what they're called, just different variants of Saber sword. Here's another head and faceplate combo inside the hood. One thing I do have a gripe about is that they made the hood black, but the rest of the clothing is blue, so it kind of mismatches. Here's a noble phantasm effect, and just assembling it really quick to show it off. He does have a hair hego, so something to make sure you get if you buy this pre-owned. If you do want to take the cape off, you kind of can wedge it out of him, and it does have a slot to better fit. The sword can be inserted to the handle by taking out the handle and then reinserting it through the hand. Here's what he looks fully assembled and on the stand. Let's start the showcase. Thank you for watching my first Nendoroid unboxing. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I am trying to hit a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Also, please hit that like button and leave a comment behind on what Nendoroids you would want to see. It does help my videos and channel a lot. And remember, thick thighs saves lives.